Jenn Whalen from St. Johns County shares a presentation called Bringing Literacy to Life.
So one of the biggest takeaways for our team that when we went to ATIA this year was this presentation about bringing literacy to life and how they incorporated AAC, sensory needs, as well as literacy into their classroom. They're talking about pre-K specifically, but they also use these principles in across their school. The other cool thing was that they're close to us regionally, so we are going to get to do a visit with them, which is awesome. But basically, what they talked about was how to incorporate and get more buy you make your activities and involve a sensory um, outlet to it. So they tied it in with the book. So let's say the book was about spaghetti, then the sensory piece that went along with that might be yarn or might be those dried spaghetti noodles, something that the kids can actually use their senses to engage with. And then they work in the core words that tie right along with that, which might be eat or something like that. So they work in their shared reading, shared writing, and they have these book units that go along. The other cool thing that they talked about, which I'm going to scroll down to, um, was their at the I think at mid-year they had a big session where it was like a fair almost. So they had these, you can kind of see them here. They're little stations with each book paired with a station with a sensory activity and the vocabulary that goes along with that. So each of these centers could actually be a lesson that you could use in the classroom. So a lot of really cool resources there too. So that was one of our main takeaways from ATIA, and I think it will be a benefit to us in our school district too.